How to track your Temu orders for delivery updates. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can track our orders on Temu for delivery updates. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to track your Temu orders, first thing is opening up the Temu app and you can just go in and order. And once you have done that, you can head over to the bottom and look for the U option here. Once you are here, you should be finding an option that says your orders. Go ahead and tap on this option, open it up, and once you are here, you should be finding your orders for delivery updates. For example, processing, here you can find processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. So since we are looking for the orders for delivery updates, you can go to the ship section to find your order status right here. You can look if it is being processing, or if it is already shipped, or if it is already delivered. So all you need to do, go ahead and look for this section called your orders, and when you reach over there, you should be able to track your Temu orders for delivery updates. So that is it for now. That is how you track your Temu orders for delivery updates. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.